Hi friends, today we'll talk about purchase cycle management. In India, people generally sell or upgrade their cars between 8 to 10 years. Not only does the condition of the car becomes bad, but also maintenance cost goes higher and the value of the car is also depreciated. On the other end, the dealers are also not able to sell these cars, leading to missed opportunities and lower profit margins. By managing the purchase cycle better, we can help customers and dealers gain more. Quick view of how selling earlier is better. Influencing the customer to sell early will give benefits to both customer and dealer. But is it possible in the case of new car customer or for a walk-in customer coming at the True Value dealership? Clearly not, because they are here to sell their old cars. This is why we can influence customer in a timely manner at service workshops, as service workshop is a controlled environment. In service workshops, we can specifically approach customers with a vehicle of certain aging and thereby influence those customers to purchase new car by showing them evaluation reports. But why will they listen to us? Is there a science behind this? Absolutely. Our evaluation app has this brilliant feature called residual value. So let's see those features. The residual value tool helps assess the current value of the car, forecast its future value, and helps with the maintenance cost for the upcoming 2 years. This helps the customer understand the car's value in today's time and upcoming expenses so that they can exchange their car much earlier and save more. So, how does this tool work? We can use the tool and show the value after a thorough evaluation using the same tool or directly jump to an assumption value. If the customer is agreeing to a proper evaluation first, then that is the best way. Else, if customer is not keen and in hurry, then you can directly use the residual value feature. The evaluation journey is the same as we all know. Therefore, let me show you the journey after that, which is common in both the cases. In step 1, we have to put in the details of existing old car. Once we put the details, we can see the details as shown here. In step 2, we put the details of new car. In step 3, we can see the comparison between old car and new car in terms of residual value, detailed analysis of cost and exchange in current versus future years and EMI. The tool has the tool also has a provision to factor in the tire replacement cost. This window helps you show the customer the fuel cost savings and running cost savings if they exchange the car now as compared to future years. You can even print the summary and send it to the customer. We have considered a few points while taking out this value. Vehicle period maintenance and running at 10,000 km per year, price shown after 2 years, fuel cost based on ARAI certified mileage and running cost of 10,000 kilometers per year and fuel prices in that city, EMI of loan for 5 years at 9% rate of interest. As you observed in the video, the customer might not have thought about exchanging his old car, but with the residual value tool, you can pitch and seed the idea of exchange early in the minds of customers. Here are the key advantages of using the residual value tool at our service workshop.